y'all, welcome back to my channel. I purchased some gel polish from Amazon. The brand is Beetles. This is their Cozy Campfire collection. The kit includes 20 gel polish. They are fall winter colors, and it also includes one top coat, one matte top coat, and one base gel. I also purchased nail swatch sticks from Amazon, and you will have to have a UV or LED lamp to cure the polish. The first gel polish is A100, and this is more like a mahogany color. Very pretty. I'm doing the first coat, and I like this. I can polish my nails this color in the fall. I like this color. And I only did two coats on this color, so I like that. This is me doing the second coat. Very pretty. I don't have this color in my collection, so I'm happy to have this color now. Now the next one is A97, and this is like a bright orange. I like this. Very pretty orange. Very pretty. I like this. And I only did two coats with the orange. Very pretty. And this is me doing the second coat. Very pretty. I can definitely wear this in the month of October. The next one is A101, and this is like a maroon color. It's more closer to the mahogany color. I like this maroon color too. It's very pretty. And I only did two coats of this maroon color. Very pretty. And I'm doing the first coat. And the next one is A96, and this is more like an orange color too. It kind of closer to the A97. It's just a tad bit darker, so very pretty. I like this orange as well. And I did two coats of the orange. So this is me doing a second coat. The next one is A105, and this is more like a olive green. Very pretty. I love green. And I love olive green, army green. So I'm happy to have this and add it to my gel polish collection. And I only did two coats with the olive green. Very pretty. The next gel polish is A103, and this is like an orange with gold glitter. Very pretty. It's sheer, so I had to do three coats. I did the third coat off camera. Very pretty. I love that they have a lot of orange in this kit. The next one is A110, and this is black with rose gold. So I like this. Very pretty. The next one is A114, and this is a gray. Very pretty. I love gray. And I did two coats of the gray. So very pretty. I'm doing the second coat right here. Very pretty. And the next one is A113, and this is a nude. I don't have any nude in my collection, so I'm happy to have a nude in my gel polish collection now. And I did 2 coats of the nude, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. Very pretty. And the next one is A104, and this is gold with glitter, and that's very pretty. I did 3 coats of the gold with glitter. Very pretty. The next one is A99, and this is a red color. Very pretty. I can wear this around Valentine's. Very pretty. I did 2 coats of the red. Very pretty. And this is me doing the second coat of the red. Very pretty. And the next one is A107. And this is a blue. And I have a lot of blue in my collection, but I don't have this color blue. So I'm happy to add this to my gel polish collection. Very pretty. And I did 2 coats of the blue. So I'm doing the second coat. And the next color is A95. And this is like a yellow. Very pretty. I don't think I have a yellow in my collection, or I might have one. So I'm happy to add this to my collection. I did 2 coats of the yellow, and this is the second coat. And the next one is A98. And this is more like a burnt orange. Very pretty. I'm happy that this kit included a lot of orange colors. So very pretty, because I know around the fall it's a lot of orange. So this is very pretty. I did 2 coats of the burnt orange. And this is me doing the second coat. Very pretty. And the next gel polish is A111. And this is a brown color. And I think this might be my second brown added to my collection. So very pretty. And I only did 2 coats of the brown. So that is pretty. I like the brown. The next one is A102. And this is like a red with glitter. Very pretty. I like this. And I did 3 coats because this was kind of sheer, so I did 3 coats of this polish. Very pretty. I like this. The next one is A106, and this is a dark green, and I love it. I love green, one of my favorite colors. So I love green. And I did 2 coats of the green. And this is me doing the second coat of the dark green. Very pretty. And the next one is A112. And this is like a light brown. And I know this is the first light brown that I have in my collection, so I'm happy to add this color to my gel polish collection. The next one is A108, and this is a purple with like a hint of glitter, so it's very pretty. I love this purple. And I did 3 coats of this one. And the next one is A109, and this is like a dark brown. Very pretty. I like this brown. I did 2 coats of this dark brown, and this was the last polish in the kit. If you would like to purchase the gel polish kit, I will have all the information in the description box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.